Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed to tidy up your Figma workspace by removing old files or cleaning out your projects, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to delete items in Figma so you can keep your design files organized, uncluttered, and totally manageable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the quick and proper way to delete unwanted projects for good. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up Figma and head straight to your Figma dashboard. Now, if you're newer to Figma, the dashboard is basically your main hub. It's where you can see all your drafts, projects, and teams at a glance. So from here, you have a bird's eye view of everything you've been working on. If you're not already sitting at the dashboard, just click the Figma logo in the top left corner or open a new tab to Figma.com. This is where the process starts, and it's a great habit to double-check you're in the right workspace before making changes. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the sidebar. You should see a section labeled Trash. You might need to scroll down a bit, especially if you have a lot of projects organized, but it's always there. This is similar to the recycle bin or trash folder you might already be familiar with on your computer. The trash in Figma collects everything you've recently deleted, just in case you need to restore something by accident. So before anything is gone forever, it will hang out in trash, giving you a bit of a safety net. Now, let's say you're sure you want to get rid of a file for good. Click into the trash section, where you'll see a list of all your recently deleted files. Take your time here and double-check that you're selecting the right file. Once it's permanently gone, there's no going back. When you find the file, right-click on it. You'll see a few options pop up. Choose Delete Permanently. This action means exactly what it says. You're telling Figma that you're 100% certain, and you want this file removed completely from your account and storage. Think of it like shredding a paper document instead of just throwing it in the bin. This part might take a few seconds, especially if you're working with bigger files or your internet connection is a little slow, but don't worry, just give it a moment. And just like that, you're done. That's really all there is to it. Once you click Delete Permanently, the file is gone and your workspace is just a little bit cleaner. Remember, organizing your Figma dashboard regularly is a small step that can make a huge difference in your workflow. It helps you stay focused on the projects that really matter and avoids those moments of confusion when you're searching through cluttered folders. I hope this walkthrough made deleting in Figma super clear and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or get stuck at any point, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.